Well, hello there. Welcome back. Long time no see, I know. My name is JL. This is Modern Retro Gal, and today I am going to do a little lop swatch. You have to excuse me, I'm having a pretty intense MS brain day today. Today you're not doing it with me. You're gonna watch it, I'm gonna do it. A lip swatch video for the Pixi by Petra matte liquid lipsticks. These are the original 5 shades that came out. They have since expanded the shade range, which I do plan on grabbing all of these, but these are the original 5 that came out. These are more your like romantic, pinky, rosy, nude, like bridal friendly colors, like traditional bridal makeup friendly colors. But I do think that they work really well even with vintage styles. You know, vintage makeup, retro makeup, like even in the 50s and 60s wasn't always a red lipstick. They did wear other shades. It's just you see red kind of more often associated with it. But I think that these lipsticks still would work really well for some of the like softer makeup looks from the 50s and 60s. This is my favorite formulation of liquid lipsticks. Are these. I have talked about these before, but now that I have the original 5 and I'm dropping them, I'm not very good at this. I wanted to do a lip swatch for you. I think they're all really, really wearable shades. And yeah, they're all really pretty. I think they'll work on a lot of different skin tones. I was really surprised some of the shades that I thought were not going to look good on me actually do. So it just shows how incredibly nice they are. So the shades that I have are Pastel Petal, and I love this wand. So we've got Pastel Petal, we've got Matte Beige, which I did not think that I would like, but this is like the first beigey nude color that actually works well on me. Au Naturelle, I didn't think I was gonna like Au Naturelle either, but it's actually a gorgeous kind of like corally nude shade. It's so good. Then we have Really Rose, doop doop, and last but not least, the shade that I'm wearing right now, because that was at the end of my lip swatch, is Evening Rose. The great thing is these are all cruelty-free, vegan, and I also believe all of the new shades are vegan, including the red ones. So sit back, relax. Here's a little swatch of all of these shades and what they look like on. Alright, so those are the original 5 matte liquid lipsticks from Pixi by Petra. You can get them at Target or pixibeauty.com. Like I said, I believe all of the new shades, including the reds and berries, are also vegan, which is great. These aren't like super transfer proof, but they are so highly pigmented that even if you do get a little bit of transfer, you have a lot of liquid, or a lot of lipstick life left. That was hard to say. And they're really easy to reapply over if you need to. They're really comfortable on. They feel just like a regular lipstick, at least in my opinion. And I'm really excited to get the new shade range. Like I said, lots of reds and bright corals and berry shades. So I'm definitely going to be purchasing a second set of the original 5 to go in my makeup kit for my bridal work, because I think that these shades are just really perfect for that also. And they're really easy to mix. So if there's a shade where you're like, I want it to be like a little bit more pink, you can add, you know, one of these to it and, you know, kind of change the color that way. So that's it for me. Let me know down below, out of the original 5, what is your favorite shade? And yeah, that's it for me today. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love to have you as a subscriber, so please be sure to click that subscribe button and the little bell so you'll always be notified when I upload. And get ready, because this year I'm gonna have a really fun new format and new weekly upload schedule. More on that to come soon. That's it for me. Hope you guys are doing great, and I'll see you next time.